Hiya, I'm back at the Pierhead in Liverpool and it's 7:05 and it's quite misty because it's bonfire night. The moon, it's beautiful. And the Mersey, there's fireworks in the distance. There's a ship there, I'm not sure what it is. It's a ferry. Which one? So that's yeah, that's the Whittle over there. It's alright, don't worry. Usually Liverpool do bonfire night, do fireworks off the ferry in the middle of the Mersey, but for some reasons or other they're not this year. It could be with, maybe that's why we've got this, the River of Light. It's quite high tide on the Mersey tonight. So I'll end this vlog now. Maybe do some more, I don't know yet, because I did most of it the other night. So for now, see ya!